So yeah, this is his kind of corporate program that Dr. Joe has created, the 2-day program. And so it's for professionals or anyone interested and passionate about their own personal development. And then of course, it's delivered in-house for organisations as well.
Yeah, I found this course to be very useful. I feel a lot more empowered. I feel that a lot of the goals that I wanted coming into this course, I'm going to be able to achieve because I've learned a lot of the tools from Luke.
Yeah, it's been amazing program to participate. I'm really happy that I think it's a wonderful course. I recommend you guys.
It's truly transformational. Luke does a fantastic job. He's a very good facilitator and trainer.
And with Luke, he was a great teacher. He's so energetic and passionate, and it was a so good session. And I hope I will be back here again. Thank you.